So my name is Nicolas Henry. I am a French photographer, and I used to create like a theater all over the world where I involve the community that I visit in many different kind of country. So I create books, and in these books there is photography of big installation work that I set with the object I find on the place, on the village, with the community. We will organize scenography, like in the theater, that I light, and to have a story that is told by the model in front of his own community. I have made different books, traveling for something like 15-20 years. The idea was not only to do show in Europe or United States, but to promote my work in outside show in different countries like India, Nigeria, in Africa, in Brazil. I was studying in the Beaux-Arts de Paris, where I was more in the beginning in painting, and after I was a light designer for the show. But I missed something because I think my destiny was to be in portrait, and I love to have to create with somebody and to have his own expression. So I tried to manage in the beginning to continue to create light design, to create set, to create a show in the different places I visit, and also to be close to the portrait. And sometimes, when the model is on the scenography and the villager come and there is a dialogue that is great, sometimes I miss the photography and I don't do the photo. Because this moment of creation together, that to have a performance, to have somebody that expresses himself, like to share the authority artistically, the subject, the commitment of the person is really the soul of my work, and also I think about my life. My first project was the playhouse of the grandparents. So I decided to only make portraits of grandfather and grandmother and to see how they have seen the world changing during their life. Because when they was children, it was like no car, no electricity, no computer, no phone. And so to see how they see the future also, so we make a book, and I make a world tour, and for 7 years I was traveling to make this first show. On the installation, in the beginning, it was more the repertory of the object of the person, and start to be more meaningful and figurative. And that linked me to a second project, that it's World in the Making, that was a story with community. So I start to the installation to be more bigger, and the people to have a public for the photography. So after we can have a conversation inside the community, and in all these two projects I have a text, I report the speaking of the person that is inside the photo. And so this installation started to be really big and to create a movement of people. And it's linked me to another project that was in the beginning ordered by the Dusable Museum of African American History of Chicago, because they see one of my work about the question of the African American history from Africa, slavery, to today the movement Black Lives Matter. So I do different residency in Chicago and Detroit, in some of the most violent areas of the United States, to create like a book. But what was different is I create really a narrative. So it's a fairy tale with a story that goes from a point to another. And that was the idea that if we know the history of each other, tomorrow we can live in harmony and build a new world together. So when I create a photo, I have many people that are invested in this creation for the commitment of the person that give his testimony. And from that, I wanted to interact with the public. I want to have an audience. So the identity aesthetic of the photography like a theater was one thing. After it was the subject to be together. And after I start to create my own frame on the identity of my exhibition. So mainly I start to exhibit all over the world, but outside in the street with the eco-conception of the scenography and to create installation also in the frame and with the picture. And it linked me to a very big show some years before for an NGO, Emmaüs, that is a worldwide movement linked to the escape of poverty on communities that resell in upcycling some object. And so we make in front of the Louvre in Paris a very big volume of scenography that create an identity for an outside show and linked to a very large public of millions of visitors. And this idea was being a center to my story with exhibition, and I start to make a festival, Photoclimat, that I meet 40 different NGOs, and the idea in Paris, in all the main places of the street, of the city, I have millions of people that share the storytelling of the NGO by artists. And so we invite 30 different artists to create, and a scenographer that is today one of the most famous in France, to have huge installation work on a very different and new aspect of scenography inside the city. And the center of the project is to have the work of NGO that is promoted by the emotion of art. So we create a project with Rhapsody about NFT. For me, it was a complement of a new side to share with the public, because we try to access to the more large scale of audience. And by internet, and with this new medium on product of NFT, I think there is a new generation on new communities we can interact with. So we was very lucky because we have Yann Arthus Bertrand, that is one of the most famous photographers for the Earth from above in the history of photography. And it is considered in France as the main committed artist in ecological issue. And we choose also with Rhapsody Namsam Loiba that have, for the generation today, I think she was one of the artists that anticipate the movement of young today as an African artist, as with the young different community, with the LGBT subject that has all committed in his work. So I am very proud that all three artists can be together and represent the NFT for Rhapsody. And Photoclimat, we need to share the idea of the commitment of the artist, and also that can help us to build more show and to build more projects for the NGO, because we try as a community, the model of production of Photoclimat is to help a lot the NGO to have more visibility, more people sharing their goal, their program, and so that can be a very nice ecosystem. And I think Rhapsody and NFT can have a new part in this ecosystem. So what will be very concrete in the operation of the NFT with Rhapsody is that with the money we will build different shows, and this show will support the NGO. For example, if you go with Amnesty International, there is 1 million persons in France that support this NGO. So they need to have more and more people that help them a lot. So the thing of the diffusion of the picture in the large scale of Paris is really an opportunity for the NGO of growing, and we can make more programs, and also we can show the beautiful pictures that you choose inside the festival himself, and promote also the career of the artists that are linked in their work with the commitment and want to change the world in the good way of sustainability. So if you want to join us for the festival Photoclimat, it will be on the 15 September to 15 October, all over Paris. And so we'll have installation in all the center. And you can see the work of Richard Molfs, Nils Sudo, Joanna Schumali. You will have different residency of artists that we have built with women, with a huge center about women commitment. You will see a long work with biodiversity, with also Nick Brandt. And on the subject of conflict on climate will be highlighted by the work of different residency we build with ACF, CCF Terres Solidaires, SOS Sahel, and that will be in front of the Louvre. So please come also in Paris to see all this beautiful show. So when I start the photography, I was using Hasselblad with classical film, and when we can use Photoshop on a new medium. For me, I was very lucky because I can control more all the light design on all the scenography, and sometimes I can invest more people, and I can create a picture together with the photography that I take on my tripod. So I think what is very important for me from my background in the School of Art of Paris is when I do a picture is that somebody, if he see one time my work, after, when he see another picture, he know it's me that was the author of that. And the medium is always an opportunity to give a line, to create a strong identity. And I think in the future, with all this new technology, I would love to integrate more and more the numeric creation inside my work, and also the diffusion with NFT on the nature of the unique piece of this medium. I think can help me to make growing this part of creativity to have a unique result aesthetically.